So today is Super Bowl. I believe the Niners and the Chiefs are playing. I'm gonna go for the Niners, even though I'm not a football fan. But I do rock the Raiders, that's for sure. Only because of my daughter. Anyways, this video is gonna be not even a how-to, or maybe it's a little bit of how-to. We're gonna do some ribs, trim the ribs up, do some chicken wings, go flats, go do some chicken wings, and then I got some chicken thighs with bone in. What else do I got? Oh, some sausages, and then the rib trimmings. I want to do a little something special with that. Thinking maybe carne con chile. So we're gonna roast some tomatillos, some tomatoes. Maybe some serranos, a little bit more flavor, a little bit more spiciness. It'll be bomb, guys. It's gonna be money. And let me show you what I got here. Super Bowl, baby. And you know what sucks? I gotta work tomorrow. All right, guys, so this is what I got going. I got the Texas Cajun from Uncle Steve. And I also got Grandpa's pecan rub. And then I also gonna use dessert sweet shake from Uncle Steve. This one here is from Byron, and I'm gonna do a blend of all three right here, and the West Coast I'm gonna use for the chicken. So yeah, the reason I'm using the sweet dessert shake is I want the ribs to be a little bit on the sweeter side. And Texas Cajun for sure, this is good. I've never used this one before, but I tasted it and it does have a little spice to it, and I think it'll pair up perfect. You got sweet and spicy, and you got the savory. So I think these will work. So let's just get down to it. I got some spare ribs. Let's crack these guys open. Take some of this fat off. It's pretty simple to cut. All you're doing is cutting through cartilage. Rib tips right here, which we will use for today. I'm gonna go ahead and square these up a little bit. Got your St. Louis style right here. As far as the membrane, I'm gonna leave it on. Score it a little bit. Not a big deal. Pretty good looking rack right there. It's gonna be a good combination. And I'll just do the same with all the racks. This brand right here, Rosie, it's freaking fantastic. If you guys can find it at your grocery store, I highly recommend that you get one, or you buy a few packs. So, I got some wings. Damn, can't believe they're still frozen. So, let's see here. You just break it open, just knock off the little tip. Nothing to it, pretty simple, pretty easy. So you got your flats and your drumettes. Pretty simple, right? Nothing to it. All right, let me take care of these and I'll bring you right back. So I got some chicken thighs bone in. Just took them out of the package. I was cleaning up a few of them. Just some excess skin right here. Not too bad. It's not the Rosie brand. They don't look the best. But they're all right. They'll do. Just sprinkle it on. Just season it up. Alright, that's pretty much it right here. Nice and heavy, guys. Give it a quick mix. Come back and hit it again. Check out the ribs. They look beautiful, don't they? Alright. I also bought a little treat. My BFF told me about this store where she lives. I want to go check it out. And I bought some these are jalapeno poppers. But what I was interested in is the way they made them. I think, let me open this one up. See, it has some type of sausage inside, which is pretty damn cool. And I also got a different kind of poppers there. I believe there's stuff with Jack only. I'm not quite sure. but we will definitely try these out. All right, guys, I'll see you guys outside. Stick around. They have been sweating. Look at that. Gorgeous, right? Where should we put these? Right here? Beautiful. All right, guys, stick around. Come back in a few hours. Take a look at it. That's just a beautiful, beautiful color, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm not gonna wrap them. I'm not do anything to them. Just let them get smoked. I do have it at 250. I'm gonna raise it up to 275. All right, guys, stick around. All right, guys, fire roasted salsa is pretty much done. All you gotta do is just blend it, put it in this bowl. It's pretty simple, straightforward, nothing to it. Fire roasted is the best, in my opinion. So you simply just blend this up. I'm gonna have my jefita do it for me because I am very busy today. The serranos, they need a little bit longer, and this onion needs a little bit longer. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this up. I'll bring you guys right back. Stick around. All right, guys, this is gonna be my mom's pot. Very expensive, so we're gonna go ahead and use this. I'm gonna let this heat up, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our rib tips.
Here's the salsa.
Let's check it out.
Homemade.
Homemade. Damn, that looks good.
Scratch.
Check it out. Looks bomb. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
You guys remember the rib tips, right? That we had left over. We're gonna just go ahead and put that in there. This is just a spread for the Super Bowl, guys. This is just something different, you know? I'm gonna let this brown a little bit. Just like that. All right, guys. So this is what I'm looking for. See how it's nice and brown? Starting to get nice and brown. All that fat starting to render off. Looks really nice. Well, this salsa that I made earlier, it is extremely spicy. So we're only gonna add half of it to it, because I want to be able to eat it later on. And then we can use the other half for chips, whatnot. All right, guys. So pretty much just mix it in. Nothing to it. We're gonna go ahead and add this whole container of beef broth. All right, guys, so out of the beef broth, we're gonna get this meat nice and tender. We're gonna go ahead and braise this, and I'm gonna go ahead and add my other ingredients right now. I'm gonna add the pork rinds. Like I said, you can eat these by themselves, but I'm gonna break them in chunks. And if you guys ever done this before, it's a real good treat. It's gonna be bomb. It's gonna be money, guys. And then I'm also gonna add these pork rinds as well. Mix. Get all those pork rinds in there. They're gonna get nice and soft. Oh my God. It's gonna be freaking fire, guys. Cover that up. All right, let's check this out. Freaking, the color is amazing, guys. Amazing. Just kind of slather that around a little bit. Just like that, guys. Yeah, those birds are getting crazy. If they don't calm down, I'm gonna have to cook one of them soon. See how nice and see how they bend? They're pretty much almost done. See that? Look at that. That's when I add my barbecue sauce. You can add your sauce whenever you like. Close that up. Bring you back later on. Stick around. These ribs are pretty much done. They bend really nice. them in this tray. Look at that, beautiful. All right, guys, so here's the ribs. They're gonna hang out in the warmer, just like that. This is a Heat Max food warmer. I don't know the part number, but I'll put the part number because I've been getting asked a lot of questions about this warmer. So I got it at number 3, and it heats it up to around 145 to 150. That's where I keep it at. All right, stick around, guys. I'm gonna add the chicken next. So I did smoke them maybe 20 minutes, if that, maybe 30 minutes. I decided I wanted to get some of that wood flavor in here. So I'm gonna just take them off. They're pretty much done. We're gonna make some buffalo wings. Pretty simple, pretty easy. I do have the jalapeno poppers up there. Pretty nice. Let me see where I'm gonna put this. Let's put the chicken. Create some space over here. Get the wings. We're gonna add a little bit of butter. It is salted butter. And then I'm gonna add the, what is it, Frank's Red Hot wing sauce for the wings. I'm gonna pour all of it in there. Just a little appetizer. Mix it around a little bit. Just like that. It'll be nice. We'll get some bacon fat in there as well. Shredding for sure. Check this out. Damn, that is money right here, guys. Look at that. Shreds right apart. It's exactly what I was looking for. Break yourself. Look at that. So tender. Look at money. Taste test with the familia. The family. Not bad. Bomb. Money. Oh yeah, the wings are fire. Mom?
The ribs are where it's at.
Yeah, I like the wings. Well, the food was fantastic. You guys got to see the you guys got to see the ribs. You guys got to see the family taste the ribs. You know, the ribs were really good because they had that sweet and spicy from Uncle Steve. This is just a quick spread for our Super Bowl Sunday. And we're watching the Super Bowl. Let me show you what we're watching it on. Big ass TV. You're not gonna believe how we're watching our Super Bowl. Check it out. Hilarious. Ay, way. Here, Lolo. Pass the TV back. Hilarious. Yeah, we got my little brother working on it on the inside. So, anyways, gracias for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. Ya sabes, like, share, subscribe. Last but not least, make it count. Time is short. I'll catch you guys on the next one. You guys take care.